Hello dear students, and let's start studying chapter 2 fractions and decimals, topic 2.4 from your NCERT textbook, that is the reciprocal of fractions and division of fractions. So let us first understand what is reciprocal of fraction. If we have two non-zero numbers whose product is 1, then these numbers must be the reciprocal of each other. Okay, so if you are multiplying two non-zero numbers and you get their product as 1, then we can say that two numbers are reciprocals of each other. So to find out the reciprocal of any fraction, we just need to flip the numerator with the denominator. For example, this is a fraction. 3 by 4 is one fraction, and to get the reciprocal of this 3 by 4, we just flip the position of this numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator. So the fraction we got, that is 4 by 3, is the reciprocal of 3 by 4. Okay, so let us see some examples about it. Observe this table and fill in the blanks. So let us multiply 7 multiply by 1 by 7. Now as you see here, we can simplify this. 7, this get cancelled, 7 ones are 7, and your answer is 1. Means what? The 7 and 1 by 7 are the reciprocal of each other. Next is 1 by 9 divided by 9. So again we can cancel this 9, 9 ones are 9. So again your product is 1, means what? 1 by 9 and 9 are the reciprocal of each other. Next is 2 by 3 multiply by 3 by 2. So here if I multiply numerator, 2 into 3 product is 6 and 3 into 2 product is 6. So again reduce this, 6 ones are 6, your final product is 1. That means what? Multiplication of these two fractions gives your product as 1, means these two fractions are what? Reciprocal of each other. Next is 5 by 4 multiply by 4 by 5. So see the fractions carefully. We can reduce them. 5 ones are 5 and here 4 ones are 4. So again you get your product as 1. So we can say that 5 by 4 and 4 by 5 are the reciprocal of each other. Now in this example we have 2 by 7 multiply by some fraction gives you product as 1. So when do we get the product as 1? If we are multiplying a fraction with its reciprocal. It means obviously the fraction is the reciprocal of 2 by 7, that is a 7 by 2. Okay. Next, same like as above, one fraction multiplied by 5 by 9 gives you a product as 1. So obviously this fraction is multiplying with its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 5 by 9 is 9 by 5. Okay, so which gives you answer as a 1. Okay, now let us understand some cases of division of fraction 1 by 1. This is the first case. How to divide a whole number by a fraction. If we have to divide the whole number with the proper fraction or improper fraction, then we will multiply that whole number with the reciprocal of the given fraction. For example, this is one fraction. This is one division. 2 divided by 9 by 5. Now as said above, dividing a fraction means multiplying by the reciprocal of that fraction. So 2 multiplied by reciprocal of 9 by 5 is 5 by 9, which gives you an answer as a 2 5s are 10 and 9 as it is. It's a denominator. Now let us understand what if we divide a fraction or by a whole number. See here, for example, this whole number is divided by a mixed number. So first step is to convert this mixed fraction to the improper fraction. So 2 and 2 by 5 gets converted to 12 by 5, and then further steps are same as solved in this example. Next, how to divide a fraction with a whole number. To divide the fraction with a whole number, we have to take the reciprocal of the whole number, then divide it with the whole number as usual. For example, this is a fraction which is divided by a whole number. So first step, first you understand that whole number means actually this is a 2 is a whole number which is actually a 2 by 1. So its reciprocal is 1 by 2. So if we are dividing 3 by 10 by a whole number 2, then we'll flip that 3 by 10, multiply by the reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. And then do the multiplication. 3 ones are 3 and 10 twos are 20. So 3 by 20 is your product. So based on our earlier observation, if we have 3 by 4 divided by 3, that is means what? 3 by 4 multiply by 1 by 3. Reciprocal of this 3 is 1 by 3. Then solid 3 ones are 3 and 4 threes are 12. Now we can reduce this, that is 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So the product is 1 by 4. Next, how to divide a fraction with another fraction. To divide a fraction with another fraction, we have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second fraction. For example, these are two fractions, a upon b divided by c upon d. It means a by b multiplied by d by c. This d by c is the reciprocal of c by d, which is the reciprocal of this second fraction. Let us understand with the example. Here we have 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. So your first step is to invert the fraction that you are dividing by and multiply by it. So invert this fraction by which we are dividing, that is a 2 by 3. Its reciprocal is 3 by 2. So multiply that fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. 4 by 5 multiply by 3 by 2. Now next step, multiply the numerators and denominators, that is a 4 3s are 12 and 5 2s are 10. Then simplify the fraction if it is necessary. So here 12 by 10 can be simplified as a 1 and 1 by 5. Like here what it will be 6 2 6 are 12 and 2 5s are 10, which is again converted into mixed fraction. So answer is 1 and 1 by 5. So thank you for watching the video. In next video we will understand solutions of exercise 2.4 from chapter 2, fractions and decimals.